Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit or delete watch history or search history. Just simply open Amazon Prime Video at first, and after that this homepage will appear. Now into here you just simply have to tap into your profile picture at the top right corner, and from there you will get to see your watch history. Now in order to remove something from watch history, you just simply have to tap into these three dots, and from there you will get the option to remove from watch list. Just simply tap into that and it will be removed from your watch list. Then go to the settings, and after going into the settings section you will get to see this clear video search history. In order to clear the search history, just simply tap into that and your search history will automatically be cleared. By following these very easy steps, you can easily clear the search history and watch list timelines. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.